Want to make your kid's iPad a little safer? Today, I'll show you exactly how to block Safari in just a few taps. Let's jump in. First, grab your child's iPad and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If it's not already turned on, go ahead and enable it. Set a screen time passcode so your child can't change the settings later. Now, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure it's turned on. Tap Allowed Apps and Features, then toggle Safari off. And just like that, Safari disappears from the home screen. And that's it. Safari is now blocked on your kid's iPad. Want to block other apps or set screen limits? Let me know in the comments. Alternatively, you can also limit access to adult content in Safari and other apps by going to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, choose App Store, Media, Web and Games option. On this setting page, click on Web Content and choosing Limit Adult Websites. Here you can add website to allow or only approved websites. Here you can see example on my iPad screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.